Hello everyone. This video is for pure educational purpose only. I am not your financial advisor. You can do your proper research and warm welcome to Atlas System Project, where you can easily get Web3 smart contract and DAO community-based project. This platform is going to offering you such benefit, some reward that you can easily join. Even there are, like if you are going to join this for 1 day, there will be reward 0.3%. But if you are going to join this project with your fund, then here are different plans. You can easily choose, and according to your time that have been mentioned here, like 1 day to 30 days, you can easily get the Delta reward. So I am going to show you now how this reward can be transferred to your account, because if you are going to enter into this smart cycle that is going to help you get financial freedom, I am going to share all the experience that I have felt when I have explored this project. So here transparency is the main priority. We can continue with our web wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask and many other. Even there are also supporting system 24/7. Their team is going to help you. You can easily get your reward whenever you want. Inviting friends can be helpful to get some more reward. So be ready to join the Atlas ecosystem. That in numbers, you can easily check out how many people already joined and how many partners are also came here and they are also getting their benefit here. So if you want to know about their security, that is on the top priority, and transparency is the best thing that they have made like a places to get people on it. And that's why after checking all the security and transparency, I am going to introducing it to you. But here you can also check different cycle that is suitable, customizable. You can easily select according to your budget. You can also invite your friends. That can be helpful to making a strong system, because this is community based, so people can easily come here. There is P2P exchange, crypto wallet. There you can get different swapping option in a decentralized ecosystem. So be ready to join and talk messenger. Every feature you can get is a full of boom on one platform. So Atlas, this is not just an ecosystem, this is also the whole world that you will see. And here is a roadmap, what their team has done, what they are trying to do, everything in a fully detailed you can check out. Like here is also the cycle one, inviting earning, here is also the knowledge hub, and performance is being done with partner. And very soon there is also P2P exchange, academy and many other are also upcoming in their near future. So if you want to explore some details about the Atlas ecosystem and what the people thought about it, no worry, because you can easily check the detail on recognized and platform like CoinCodex. The blog has written about this decentralized platform. And now Atlas system, that is an idea, is into big reality. And there are also different cycles, there are big plans, big dream that will be complete once you have tried. And I am also going to show you how to come on it, where we have to connect our MetaMask, and I am also going to open. You can also check out that we are going to connect our MetaMask, an extension that is requiring our connect option BNB Smart Chain. We are going to using this chain. And you can also check out that once our wallet will be connected successfully, and here is also the next interface like BNB Smart Chain that is done. And here you can also check out. After connected the wallet successfully, you can easily check out the interface like this. Here is my balance that you can also check out. And I am going to continue with that after coming on the dashboard. Our total cycle can be checked out. There is no one is active, but now I am going to show you how to activate it. So it is also providing this port. First of all, you can check out what is the contact is. I am going to open this one, that is momentum. But you can also get all the details, like 1 day is going to give you reward 0.3%. This momentum for 5 days we can also activate, and for 2% reward this premier for 10 days and many other. I am going to select your momentum. There I am going to choose the number amount, that is 100. And after the accept and terms and condition, that is okay, you can read it too. And after that we can click on the next option. And after that, you can also select here that MetaMask account that I have already connected here. And you can also check out there is a confirmation. I am going to click on it. After the consent that has been done and transaction will be okay from my wallet, then you will easily check on in the history too that it is going to be. After the transaction being done, you can now check out that here is our voting balance that have been given to us and our amount that we have now used, that is $100, is in the lockup. And there is also the cycle is now active as one. And here is your Atlas system activity that is being performed here. So in this way, you can also come and you can start your confirmation from the wallet. And this will be helpful. And even I will also show you more that here are the momentum that you will see my active cycle details. This is going to be helpful for us that how many time remaining. There is positive amount, there is period 5 days and the time maintained like countdown. So in this way, you can also check out how it is going to be helpful for you. And further, you can also check the partner status. If you want to invite your friends, then here is also the link that you can copy, share to your friends, invite them. And you will also get benefit when they will go to active. They're providing sports cycle. And further, you can easily come here in the sports cycle to check out more plans that are near to 30 days, 22.5% higher. And in the daily flow assistant, you can also check out too, like 1.1% per day with 200 days. You can easily select the core amount with starting minimum $10. And here is also the sporting cycle, that activities that is being performed like record history that have been completed will be shown here, but now it is in the active state. So expected delta, its mean reward will be $2. After 5 days, I will show you. And now you can also check out there is also the reward when you are going to invite your fans. In this way, you can also come and start new level of experience in the Web3 wallet. And if you have any question or query, or you want to join with such platform that is going to offer you a complete ecosystem with Web3, there is also the plans what you are going to select it like contractor. There is a launch for 1 day. There is premier and many other. This is a really awesome thing. And many other are also upcoming in their future, like their exchange, their swapping, decentralized feature. You will see in their official white paper, but this is not yet only. You can follow them on their official Twitter, Telegram, and further details will be shown to you on their official communities that have been increased by the people interest. If you want to discuss with the team, that is possible. You can easily join them on their official Telegram. Team is available to help you. I will appreciate if your thought will be discussed in this group. See you next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.